It's just there. You can see it. There's Storr right there. Right there. That's it. There's your passing glimpse. Hope you enjoyed that. Right, we're at Portree. We parked up there. The van's parked right next to a bloke cleaning his fishing boat out, which is pretty cool. So I've been to Portree before. This is where Denise lost her sausage by the seagulls. It's a bit miserable, but look at the colours of the places down here. Pink guest house. I've stayed there before when I came down on a motorbike once. Pretty little place. We're going to have a walk round, get ourselves some lunch, and see what the afternoon brings us. I expect we'll probably head up towards Stowe afterwards, the Old Man of Storr, and park up for tonight. But we're going to have a walk round Portree, get some lunch, a cup of coffee, a nice cup of coffee that we haven't had to make ourselves, and then find some water. So we need a campsite or a hose pipe to get some water, and yeah, plod on. We'll take you for a trip round Portree and show you what's here. Not a lot, but you never know. Back in a bit. Right, we've walked around the corner now. We're at the top of the harbour, looking down over the wall, and as you can see, pretty colour houses, or bed and breakfast accommodation. It's quite a pretty place. Little castle up on the top there, a church at the back, and you've got the mountains in the background. You can't see them much at the moment. It is a very pretty place. I've been here when the sun's out, and it looks really scenic, and this makes quite a nice postcard shot. But not today, not with a white sky, it doesn't anyway. So we've just been in the shop, just bought our friend John some haggis poo droppings. He's looking after our cockatiel, so take him back a present. Right, we'll plod on. Guess what? Time for a new hat. Just popped in this shop, full of Scotland everywhere you look in here. Absolutely full of it. We've got whiskey, we've got, I was going to say Aran. Is it Aran jumpers? We've got Harris tweed, and of course we've got shortbread, and of course we've got magic hats. So I'm going to try a couple of hats on, see if I can treat myself to a new one. What do you reckon? Let's try this. This is a magical hat, this one. I'm doing a bit of Loch Ness. What about that? Would that suit me? Can I vlog in that? Would I get seen in the mountains? Yeah, don't know, do you? Catch you later. See you later. Well, that's it. We come up with a hat. Couldn't go in there without a hat. So, Portree knitwear, thanks a lot. If you want Scottish Highland quilt wear, go to Portree knitwear. Right, we're going to carry on and see what else we can find now. We're looking for a cup of coffee, a nice latte and a large chunk of cake. So, yummy, yummy. Hi guys, we're at the Old Man of Stow, and or the Old Man of Storr. Can't see it, can't see the top. It's sideways rain at the moment, stroke snow, stroke sleet. We've taken the steep path to save a few minutes. And yeah, we're going to head up and have a bit of a recce and a bit of a look. I've got my Fuji on the back just in case I manage to get a photo. No chance for the drone, so we've left that in the van. Everything's at the bottom of the hill. Like I say, we're heading up this way. I thought I'd just let you know what we're doing, and I'll maybe speak to you when we get a bit further up. My battery's low on my microphone. The cold's just killing them straight away. So yeah, let's see what we get up to when we get up there, and see if we can get an image out of it when we get there. So I'll catch up with you in a bit. This wind, ooh, it's getting snowier. Definitely getting snowier. Hi guys.
Many greatest and
oh, they're going down and we're still going up. There's no chance you can hear me up here. It's blowing a bloody thing. Woohoo! Can't see Storr. It's up there, so there's no chance of seeing Storr. Currently been told visibility up there is only about 2 metres. Got no chance, and I know I'm really close to you. I'm trying to short the mic a bit. Right, we're going to carry on. Right, visibility is going a bit less. This is a bit of a test for me in this microphone. I've got my little dead gerbil thing attached to my chest, and it's supposed to cut out the wind noise, as you all know. I'm shouting a bit just to keep the volume up, but it's definitely sideways rain and sleet and snow, and visibility up here is starting to die a bit, so I very much doubt if we'll be getting any photographs, that's for damn sure. What I will do, I'll take a snapshot, I think, if I can get or if I can shelter from the sideways rain. I'll take a snapshot just to show what the visibility is like and what it's actually like up here. But nevertheless, thoroughly enjoying it. Pretty amazing. A bit tired out. Denise is feeling it a little bit. She just had Scottish white pudding and chips when I had me haggis and chips earlier on, and I think it's playing on us a bit. It's the biggest meal we've had since we've been up in Scotland, so and wrong time of day, to be honest. But yeah, Old Man of Storr, if I remember rightly, is there right in front of us. Like I say, you can't see it, so there's no chance. Right, I'm going to shut up talking, and sorry the video's all over the place, but I'm trying to walk. Trying to walk, talk, hold the camera and catch my breath. Right, see you in a bit. Yeah, weather's closing a bit, visibility's gone. I can't see anything further up. I don't know whether it's worth carrying on or not. I think Denise is a bit unkeen, which I don't blame her. I don't blame her at all. It's starting to get a bit slipperier underfoot and a bit more harder to walk on. Everyone that's been up there said unless you actually get right to the top and go actually up to Stowe, up to the rock, then you can't actually see anything. So there seems no point in carrying on unless unless we can see something. So I think we're going to have to head back down. We'll have a look, see what it's like tomorrow. We're stopping down the bottom, so I'll have a look in the morning and we'll see what happens tomorrow. We've given up. I know I said that down there, but we changed our mind and came up a little bit further. I've just taken a photo. All in automatic. I didn't have time, excuse me, didn't have time to set the camera up. Too much rain sideways, snow sideways, so I've taken an image going up this pathway, and you can see the path. I can see the rock again now. Couldn't see it 2 seconds ago, couldn't see that rock. But we saw this path going up all the way to the top of the rock there. Old Man of Storr is a lot further up. I thought it was up that way, but it's not. It's a lot further up, so we're not going to be able to make it today. The path's getting a bit slippy and it's a bit silly, and the weather's closing in more. So we're going to we're going to call it a day and head back down. Yeah. The boss has said yeah. So, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, tell your friends, and hopefully we'll get to see Storr in the morning. If not, oh well, we tried. So for now, ciao for now. See you next week. Bye.